Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today for this video. It's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna do a keto taco. It's gonna be a hamburger taco, so totally different than a regular taco. But I'm going to use a hamburger bun to make the tortilla, and I have these keto hamburger buns. They are 1 carb per bun, so basically half a carb per each side of the bun. So I will flatten these out with my rolling pin, and they'll make a nice round like soft taco shell. And I'm gonna make hamburger with ground turkey, and then I'm gonna use a packet of onion soup mix. Gives this so much flavor. And then once I have that all ready, I will add on my shredded lettuce, shredded cheese. I have my sugar-free ketchup, or I'm sorry, my no sugar added ketchup, and I have my sliced pickles. So this will be a hamburger taco, keto friendly. So check the recipe for check the description box, for the recipe that'll be in there. This is really fun to make. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I have lots of keto recipes, lots of budget friendly recipes. So check those out. All right, I'll get all of this going.
Okay, so I have my rolling pin and I'm going to flatten out my hamburger buns. I love these. Like I mentioned, they are 1 carb per bun. So I got it nice and flat. It's going to be like my little taco shell. So I have my ground turkey now. I love using ground turkey. And I have my onion soup mix, which has so much flavor. So I'm going to brown all of this turkey and make the hamburger. Once that is all ready, I'm going to toast the buns just a little bit, and I have my hamburger meat in the bun. I'm going to put a little bit of no sugar added ketchup on there. I have my little hamburger hot dogs in my little taco tray that I love using to stand the tacos up. So I have my ketchup, a little bit of shredded cheese. I'm going to use a little bit of shredded lettuce, and then I'm also going to add pickle as well. So these are a really fun alternative to a regular taco. They are a hamburger taco, but really fun and keto friendly. Everything used is very keto friendly, and the buns, like I said, are really great. So these are really fun to have on a Taco Tuesday if you're trying to stay nice and healthy. So I hope that you enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more keto recipes.